ain't seen make million a week. 5 shows made 3 million a week. But now looking at the beastie elite. Too bad you can't go and invest in fatigues. I'm beastie elite, too beastie elite, beastie elite, too beastie elite, beastie elite, too beastie elite, beastie elite, too beastie elite. Damn, I ain't seen make million a week. 5 shows made 3 million a week. But now looking at the beastie elite. Too bad you can't go and invest in fatigues. Damn, I ain't seen make million a week. 5 shows made 3 million a week. But now looking at the beastie elite. Too bad you can't go and invest in fatigues. I'm doing now looking at the bad you can't go and invest in fatigues.
Okay, shower time.
Brand new. He's acting like they running, they really ran through.
There's a lot of desserts I've never seen in my life, like Milka. What is Milka? Giant skittles. Maracuga. Cougar? That's not what it said. That's not what it said.
At the top, think they got lost. I don't go like Reese. She thought I would kiss her. She must ain't took a mix.
BOOSIEBADADZ. That's me. Wipe me down. That is not Nicki Minaj.
Imaginary smoke.
Oh my gosh, guys, I love this mall.
Feel like shot it low. Left into the paint, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop. Imaginary smoke. Set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bitch, your man know if you don't, what's happening? Smoking on that gas, doing biggest Colorado. Just like the run ain't out, but I'm the type to run a fast. When your diamonds hit like this, you don't never see the shade. Got the key to my city, they gave me a holiday. All kind of shit. Made me pull my diamond tester out. Counterfeit. Better keep my name up out of mouth. They been trying. If it's beef, then let me know. Baby, why you hiding it? And I heard about you. Pigs like you. We all know that cat is bad. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Left into the paint. But shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop. Imaginary smoke. Set it up. Then put it on the floor. I done it all. Feel like shot it low. Left into the paint. But shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop. Imaginary smoke. Set it up. Then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bitch, your man know if you don't, what's happening?
I'm getting the pork belly ramen, so we're gonna share and we can try breakfast and lunch. Bow, 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 bow. Now eat it up, eat it up. Ew, who you looking at, Miss Girl? You finna pay for my food? Oh, they so. Period. Is it good? Let me try some. That's real good.
She like the way that I dance. She like the way that I move. She like the way that I rock. She like the way that I woo. And she let it clap for a nigga. And she throw it back for a nigga. Yeah, she throw it back for a nigga. Like a minute, like a minute. Galaxy 3T. Christian Dior at the store. I'm up in all the stores. When it rains, she like the way I.
Guys, we finally know where we're going for once. Yay! And I look good. So right now we are heading to Arte Museum. We are, of course, running late as usual.
I was waiting on
without
you.
a surprise.
I was waiting on you.
Don't blame me now,
You
okay?
was doing your little makeup.
Yo, little man,
little
go ahead and
makeup,
tell your
look.
little boyfriend. Ooh, wee. excursion for tonight. We've had such a blast going to Arte Museum. I 10 out of 10 recommend. It's amazing and an unforgettable experience that you have to experience yourself. We are about to do a little mukbang, trying a food truck called 303 in the Cut. It's a very popular food truck that many people have talked about in Las Vegas, so stay tuned for that later on tonight, but we'll see you guys later. Bye!
I get it right back. She put it all on me, I couldn't fight that. She love when I pull on it when it's tied back. You know it's hard to get up out that I can sidetrack. Shake something, left, right, control it. You know who the part of your horny. Ride on it, green light me.
Reel 3 in the cut. Let's see if we really in the cut right now.
He's like, it's about to see.
And read your Bible. Amen.
So excited to open that mouth.
Chicken is good. Let me get some more sauce on it though. That one didn't have no sauce. Chicken is really tender. This is like the best chicken I've had. It's so soft and juicy. We had a 10-minute ride home, taking the Uber, and it's still hot.
And I got this cutty juice.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna give it a 9.8. It's really good, super tender, very flavorful. Nothing's wrong with it. I just need to try, you know, all of it together. It's hard to pick up both pieces and put it in my mouth.
I don't think that's how you're supposed to eat it. I think it just depends on how you want it.
I don't know. The sauce is real good though, guys. It's like a honey mustard kind of. It's a little tangy. It's real good. And it smells delicious too.
Without your flames here, and I know you feel the same. Come on, take that shit off. Summer too hot, let's